Hello everyone. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. So, let's get into it. First, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and select the Settings and Privacy option from the pop-up menu. Next, scroll to the Suggested Content option and tap on it. You'll see an option to Snooze Suggested Posts in Feed. Turn on the toggle switch next to it, and that's it. Instagram will now hide all suggested posts from your feed for the next 30 days. If you want to keep your feed clean, you can repeat this process every month. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.